I'm going to tell you about the clipping circuits. So clipping circuit is the application of a diode. So first, before going to explain about the clipping circuit, I will tell you about the basics of a normal diode. So diode symbol is like this, a diode. So it will have two terminals, that's why it is called diode. So it will have anode as well as the other terminal is cathode. In general way, so we can say it is a positive terminal and this is a negative terminal, right? Now let us assume that we don't know how the operation of a diode, how the current flows or whatever. Simply you have to follow some blind rule. So I am assuming anode voltage VA, cathode voltage VK. So first condition is when VA is greater than VK, the diode is on. For on condition, what is the equivalent circuit or equivalent model? I'll go with the diode is simply short circuit. The second condition, when VA is less than VK, the diode is off and the equivalent model is simply open circuit. This is short circuit and this is open circuit. If you know these two conditions, you can build any clipping circuit or clamping circuits that we will see in the next following videos. So now, what is a clipping circuit? What is this? The other name of clipping circuit is voltage limiter circuit. That is, it will limit some portion of the input signal or the whole portion of the input signal. Suppose if you are having the input signal like this, it is having some input peaks Vm minus Vm. Now if you want only positive half cycle, so like this, or if you need only negative half cycle like this, or some portion of the positive half cycle and full portion of the negative half cycle. So minus Vm plus Vm, some reference of minus Vm. Similarly, if you require only full positive half cycle and some portion of the negative half cycle, something like this. Now who will provide this type of the waveforms when you give this type of the input signal? So that circuit name is clipping circuit. Now we will see the simple clipping circuit. The first, so many clipping circuits will exist, so depending on how it works. The first one is positive clipper. This positive clipper will clip the full portion of the positive half cycle and it will give only negative half cycles. So the circuit will be like this. A resistor R and the diode is this, where we are giving V in and where we are taking the V out, and this is grounded. Remember, every circuit should consist a common terminal, so generally we take it as a reference or common point or simply ground. Now if you give any input to this type of circuit, you don't require any knowledge about how the diode works. You have to know only two rules that we already discussed, that is, whenever this voltage VA, this voltage VK, whenever VA is greater than VK, the diode is simply on, short circuit. Second condition is VA is less than VK, the diode is off and is open circuit. Now how to go with the analysis? So for a blind rule is just simply open the diode, something like this, R. So I am opening the diode. So find VA and VK. Here Vin is there, I don't require V out. So see this VA, where it is connected, so simply Vin. This whenever there is an open circuit, simply VA is equal to Vn. VA is equal to Vn. But what is VK? VK is connected to this common point. Generally the ground means it is a simply 0. Now if you see for the first condition, for forward bias, VA is greater than VK. VA means what? Vn. What is VK? 0. That means what? Whenever Vin is greater than 0, the diode is on, that is short circuit. How the circuit will behave like this? So that is whenever positive half cycle given, resistor on. So what is the diode? It is on, which is, remember, like this. Now what is V out? Simply short, you will get simply V out is equal to 0. So there is no passing of this input to the output. Now the second condition is what? VA is less than VK, that is Vin is less than 0, diode is off, that is open circuit. So whenever we give a negative half cycle, the diode is off, that is open circuit, something like this. Now what is V out? So there is no closed path, so no current flows, I equal to 0, simply V out is equal to Vn, that is the negative half cycle. Now if you want to draw the output waveform, so this is the input Vn what we are given, and see if we want to draw V out, for the positive half cycle what we got? Simply 0. For negative half cycle we got full the negative half cycle, that is minus Vm, this minus Vm plus Vm. As simple as that, simple. If we know these two blind rules, you can draw any waveforms for the any given circuit which is having some diodes. So this is about the positive clipper, that is it is clipping over whole positive half cycle.